Welcome to the Mac Corner. Hey, we have some great Macs that just came into stock. We have some M1. Here's an Air on the bottom here, and we have an M1 Pro. This is 16 gig, 1 terabyte. Great Mac. And we have this 15-inch, and we have a whole bunch of other 13-inch Airs from different generations and MacBook Pros. We just got in a couple of iMacs as well, 27-inch, really nice. We have a 2019 iMac over here that has one of those really nice Magic trackpads. And then we have this 2015 5K that has quite the spec'd out specifications. You could find us online, themaccorner.com. And here's Caffeine. This is a financing option, and we also have a SEMA, and you'll see that in this video. Come to the Mac Corner and get your Apple computer. We offer a 1-year warranty with everything we sell.